Okay, we are back in the line number 4, starting with the silent ein. Every verb root starts with the silent ein, and so this way, if you follow the white arrow, you see it starting on top, again going down through the consonant, but you cannot say it, so we're coming to the to the comments under it, to the vowel that is under the consonant. And so we're going between the letters on top and again down. Zav. Azav. Azav is to leave, to forsake, to abandon, to let go, to set free. The next one, again, the same thing. Avad. Avad, to work, serve, cultivate, toil. Avad, you might remember the abed from servant, and avad is the verb. You also can see that by on the vowel vocalization that you see, the comments under first root letter and the patach under the second root letter. Next one is na. Hey is just a continuation of the vowel of the comments before, and usually when you have the third root letter as a hey or aleph, you would also have comments under the second root letter like this. Ana is to answer, respond, reply, testify. The next word is la. Again, the hey at the end is a continuation, it's not pronounced, and again you see this is why you also get the comments under the second root letter for this lexical form. And Allah is to go up, to ascend. Next one, avar. Avar means to pass over, to pass through, to pass by, to cross the river, for example. Avar, you do have to maybe notice the avar and the second word in the line, avad. See the difference? The only difference is the last, the third root letter. And this is a d here with that kind of an extra saying in the corner there, d and r being more round. Okay, avar, to pass over, to pass through. Next one, amad. Amad, to stand up, to stand still. Next line, karav. Karav means to approach, to draw near, to come near. Karav. Kum. Kum, as we said, each time when we see this kind of letter vav with a dot, with a dot in the middle, this is going for us. It means it's an u. Okay, so the our first thought should be this is an u. So this is kum. The next word is ka ra. Okay, aleph at the end, the third root letter is not pronounced. This is why we get the comments right there. Kara. Okay. By the way, kum is to rise, arise, get up, kum. And kara means to call, to summon, to proclaim, to announce. Kara. Rava. Rava, to become numerous, great, to become great, to increase. Rava. Sim. Sim. While the yod in the middle is just a continuation of the hirik here, it's a long e, so sim. Sim, to set up, put, place, lay, to establish. Sim. The next one, shuv. 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 With an u in the middle again, as we said, means to turn back, to return, to go back. Shuv. Shata. Shata means to drink. Shata. The next line, po. Po is here at this place. Tamam. Tamam, to be complete, to come to an end, to cease, to be consumed, to be spent, burnt out. Tamam. The last line, kaf. Kaf. Hand palm, sole of the foot. Rea, rea. Now this patach under ayin is a furtive patach, and this it has just this slight difference of the rule that the where the consonant is read after the vowel, not the usual way before the vowel, but after the vowel, which in this case really doesn't matter much because ayin is silent anyways. So, but we have to know. Oh, sorry. We have to know that this is rea. That the patach under it is a furtive patach. Next word is neged. Neged. Neged is opposite in front of neged. And rea was friend, companion, neighbor. Rea and neged, opposite in front of. Ozen. Okay, well, we go from up, from top, down, and it's aleph. We can't read it. Then we go between the letters and we get to the dot. I know it's a little bit to your right, a bit too much, but this is how the script does it. So it's o, ze, n. Ozen. Ozen means ear, and it's feminine. Ozen, ear. Next word is ayil. Ayil. Ayil is ram, ruler, or as an adjective, it's mighty. This is interesting that this time where we have the ozen, ear. Remember we said in the beginning when we were talking about the aleph itself and it's being silent, and that it really will be read just the way the vowel under it or close to it will allow us allow a reading. Okay, so this is this one case, not one in its entirety, but the one case as an example where ayin or ayins, not ayins, aleph, sorry, it's being read as o, right? We have an aleph up front as the first letter of the word, but it is read as o. Interesting, right? Ozen, ear. Ayil, ram, ruler. Gibor, gibor, mighty, valiant, heroic, hero, gibor. Okay, zevach, zevach, sacrifice, zevach. Tzedakah. You see this letter, tzadi, is not an ayin. If you want to make sure that you can compare them, this is a tzadi, this is an ayin in the fourth line. First letter of each root is an ayin. And this is a tzadi. So tzedakah. You also can see it up on top in the first line where all the letters, not all, but some of the letters are represented. So ts is right there, tzadi, okay? The sound is ts. So it's never anything else. It's never ts or z or anything else. It's always a ts. Tzedakah. Tzedakah, okay? Tzedakah is righteousness, righteous act, justice. Next letter, next word is tzafon. Tzafon, north, northern. Tzafon. Tzafon, again, it's the ts. Tzafon. And the vav with the dot on top of it is an o for us. Tzafon, north, northern. Az, then, since before. Az. Af. Af, also indeed, even. Af. And the last one is pen. Pen, written with a dash, that would usually in biblical Hebrew appear on the top of the word actually. So pen means lest otherwise.